Alright, welcome back. We are going to take a look at our script today for our box. In this episode we're going to work on the box so that the tag here is the only one that's displayed. In the previous episode we looked at the ground and the box, so now we don't want it to tell us that we're hitting the ground all the time. We just want to select the box and when we collide with the box. So to do that, we're going to open our collectObjects script, and we're going to edit the top part of our onController collider hit method. And in this we're going to insert an if statement, right? So if we hit a box, we want it to tell us that we hit a box and only the box. So now this statement will not be general, it will just be if it's equal to the box, right? So this is our label, box to collect, and need an underscore here, and then for our conditional block we need to insert a couple curly braces around this code block that we want to be part of the if statement. So we're going to put the curly brace up above, and then we'll insert one here down below. In the compiler here, Visual Studio should give you a couple light colored dotted lines to help you kind of align everything. Make sure you're keeping your indentation in your code block here. So that should complete our script. We've got the label. In this case it's only going to pull the box label. So we'll save our work and then head back over to Unity and go ahead and prepare to run our updated script for just the box as it kind of compiles and brings that information back into the Unity editor here from Visual Studio that we just worked on. So as this finishes up, we're going to go ahead now at this point, and you can save your scene or you can just go ahead and run it. And we'll wait for the scene to load. Notice down here in the bottom corner of the screen we've got collision with box to collect already, so that may be an issue that we'll look at here in a second once the scene loads. I'll go ahead and tell as soon as the scene finishes loading up here. And now that we're hitting the ground in the scene, our last collision is still here from when we ran it in the last episode. So we're going to need to exit and go to clear on the console tab here. Make sure you clear all those entries from the last episode. And now we can go ahead and run this. Notice it's not showing anything until we collide with the box, and it just tells us that we have a box to collect. So we can be specific in what we're colliding with an if statement in our script. So stay tuned.